Put on new center caps today. Those are the old ones. Look how faded out those were. Look at the new ones. Isn't that nice? Makes such a big difference. Something so small and silly makes a world of difference in this old car. Yeah, buddy. I don't know if they're the right color. I don't know if they're supposed to be that dark gray, but I like them. I've got me, I got my wiper motor. Came in the mail today, so I'm gonna tear this son of a gun apart and put a wiper motor in it. What else did I get? Oh, I got, let's see, my coolant bottle. I may go ahead and put it on real quick. But yeah, she's leaking. You can see the residue, a little bit of white residue. She's dripping just under there. She's got a crack. Up there went a drop. My grandmother's A6, I just changed hers last weekend. So it was original, and I'm assuming this one is too, just based off the fact, you know, it just, everything's rubbed off. It looks original. So anyway, real simple to do. You got a hose here, that one screw, and then you got one more hose on the back side, I believe. Yep, the fun part is keeping all your damn coolant contained. But yeah, I'll get that swapped out because that is not cool. And I need to get an oil change. My brother said he took it and had it serviced, paid $200 and had it serviced before I picked it up, but I'm sorry, that is not fresh oil. I think they said they serviced it and either forgot or bullshitted him or whatever. I don't know. I mean, you see it on my hand, it's black. I mean, just black, burnt, just burn up.